Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing great. In previous video, we learned that a sentence always has a subject and a verb. But today, we will learn something very important concept. But before we start, if you are new here on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe to my channel as soon as possible. So without wasting time, let's start the lesson. Today, I'm going to teach you what is a subject and what is a predicate. And in this video, we will also learn how to identify subject and predicate easily in any sentence, right? So first, let's understand what is subject. Look at the definition of subject. The subject is the person, place, or animal, or things that we are talking about in a sentence, right? So how subject is a person? Look at the board. When a sentence talk about human being, that person become subject, right? For example, the teacher explaining the lesson. Here, we are talking about the teacher, a person. So the teacher is the subject. Subject is a place. Look at the board. Sometimes sentence talk about location or place. That place become subject, right? For example, Karachi is a big city. Here, the sentence is about Karachi, a place. So the Karachi is the subject. Okay? Subject as an animal. When sentence talk about an animal, then the animal is the subject, right? For example, the dog barking loudly. Here, we are talking about the dog, an animal. So the dog is the subject, right? Subject is a thing. A thing means an object, idea, or non-living item, right? For example, the book is on the table. Here, we are talking about the book, a thing. So the book is the subject, right? So remember, subject is simple. When person, place, thing, or animal. The sentence that the sentence is talking about. Hope everybody is clearly understand. So predicate is the part of the sentence that tell us something about subject, right? It usually contain the verbs and other information. Okay. For example, Ali plays video game. Here, Ali is the subject because we are talking about Ali, and plays video game is the predicate because it tells us what Ali is doing, right? So remember, subject is equal to what we are talking about. Predicate is equal to what we are saying about the subject. Okay, let's take one more example. Look at the board. The little boy is laughing loudly. The little boy is laughing loudly. Here, the little boy is the subject. Is laughing loudly is the predicate. So remember, every complete sentence has these two main parts, subject and predicate. When both parts come together, the sentence becomes clear and meaningful. Now let's talk about how can identify the subject and predicate easily in any sentence. It's very simple. First, find the verb in the sentence, and then remaining part of the sentence is the predicate. For example, the little boy is laughing loudly. Here, is laughing is the verb, and now ask who is laughing. The answer is the little boy, right? So the little boy is the subject, and remaining part is laughing loudly is the predicate. Excellent. So always remember, first find the verbs in the sentence, then ask question. The answer you get is the subject, and remaining part of the sentence is called predicate. Excellent. So I hope everybody is clearly understand. So my dears, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my